Our Father who is at heaven, be with us, O Lord, for your strength is to you. You bring your Jesus Christ in this world to die in the cross and his blood to save the sins peoples. Give us our daily bread, for you have given some others, O Lord. Don't keep us to the temptation. Remove me to the how do you do?
Make here.
How do you do?
You can get amen.
Amen.
Munyite mwire welcome. Nyita wega.
Welcome Geduke.
Thank you.
My name is Mukenu-Mutahi Kirunyu Katuva. I'm happy to you for we have come to Kunyonga on my shamba Nyeri, and you have helped me with the MC Karanja for buying me a bed and 2 blankets and something to sleep on it.
Kiri kodoro.
Mattress.
Mattress.
Yes. Ajiri nyama ni guthukagia. Nyama ni wale nyani kisi gwikaga utuku.
Ati ndu ji nigwakia tukagia. Ati guthukia kungi. Chithondeka muno. Kau ndari akanika ngurwe. Kabauni.
Ndogetiga gucoka kuria nyama ikoru citu bogonjoke bari.
Acha ndingiaga kuria. Gwokio ni kwega muno.
Tawirega Kunyonga Monkey.
Tiga. Ndatigire. Nyongari. If I go on Madani Manike, Lea can come. And I get a trouble to make sex with her.
Najua when the last time when we are here, you say that I'm the one who is going to impregnate her for you.
You can
Pregnant.
You can pregnant her, but first time myself.
You must enter there first.
I have to enter there first. Then you can get him. Get her. Don't see me when you are sleeping with her. You come and you hide yourself. If you can see me, if I can see you making sex with her, I can scare. I can be hearing.
You can feel bad.
I can feel bad.
Yes.
When I am doing those homosexual, I hide myself in the forest. And when I am in the forest, they cannot see me.
Yes.
They cannot know either. I'm not in manic. Because they are not seeing me. I cannot see them when I am not in manic.
Ukira kuwa kiremba niki?
Kiu kenda mundu hena ikare miaka mingi muno.
Niki?
Ndiwe. Tuyaga wikira kirepo coka wikara kare hanini ukue. Ni kana ore muno kuruta mawira ma speed. Ni mbaya. Agio wikira tari uguo bicho bwekirire. Ni na miaka 30 kindu. Wana riu ni
riu kiri ni atiri aikonu na menya we ndugitigiti miaka mingi urarega kuhonoka niki?
Kuhonoka kuu ni gutingideithia tondu ju kuina nyimbo cia Ngai. Niguo ni gathukire.
Kuhonoka gutingiguteithia niki?
Ndekwe kuina nyimbo cia Ngai kuinira.
No. Umenya atiriri njira imwe ya guthi kwe mwathani ni kumwitikira Jesu Kristo tukie muhonoki wa ngoro yaku.
Hau ni andu mahenagio. Ni ungimenya kuina nyimbo cia Ngai peke yake. We okirite muhonoki kundu kunene muno.
Wewe kwa. Wana kaibu yakwa ha.
Ngai ndaigena muno. Kuina nyimbo icio. Ndukahura ngita akarua. Nduria muhonoki no kuhoya gutheri. Na tuli mbore ngi ndarahura ngita akarua. Ni mbere yake muno.